Good morning students, class 7, this is your science lecture. We are reading unit number 5 water. In this lecture we will read page 62 to page 64. Where does hardness come from? Calcium hydrogen carbonate formed when rain fall on limestone and chalk rock. Limestone and chalk are mostly calcium carbonate, which is insoluble in water. As rain falls through the air, it dissolves carbon dioxide and forming a weak acidic solution. This solution then attacks the calcium carbonate, forming calcium hydrogen carbonate, which is insoluble. There is an activity, remember and understand, at page 62. We will solve this. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Water is made up of two gases, hydrogen and oxygen. Number 2. Fresh water contains dissolved dash which water animal breathe. Fresh water contains dissolved oxygen. Number 3. Hard water does not easily form lesser with the soft. Number 4. Soft water easily form lesser with the soft. Number 5. Hard water can be made soft by boiling or adding sodium carbonate to it. Number 6. Pure water is very good solvent, but it is bad conductor of electricity. Purification of water in laboratory. There are different methods to purify water in laboratories. First, decantation. Decantation is the process used to separate mixture. A mixture of insoluble solid in liquid is allowed to stand. If solid is more dense than liquid, it will settle at the bottom. If kept undisturbed for some time, liquid is separated by carefully pouring off into another container without disturbing the solid at the bottom. Filtration. Filtration is process of separating insoluble impurities from a liquid is called filtration. For filtration, the method of filtration is fold a filter paper as shown in the figure. Make a funnel by cutting the top of plastic bottle below the mouth. Place this funnel on the bottle. Place the filter paper on the funnel. Pour ordinary tap water through filter paper. The impurities in water will remain on filter paper and water will be purified. Distillation. Distillation is a process of purifying a liquid by heating or cooling. When water is heated in a flask to form steam, the vapor that is produced is cooled to form liquid water. The vapor is cooled in apparatus called Liebig condenser. The diagram of Liebig condenser is shown in the figure. Purification of drinking water. Water that is used for drinking should be clean and free from germs and impurities. It should have no taste, color or smell. In order to make water fit for drinking, water is processed and in purification plant, where it goes through different filtration tanks to remove the solid impurities in it. Chlorine is added it to kill the germs and then stored in huge tanks from where it is supplied to our hands. In diagram, purification of drinking water process is shown. First, reservoir. As the water enters the water treatment, it passes through a screen. It is made from bar of metal placed close together. These catch large objects such as leaf and paper. Settlement tank, sand and solid settle out. Then aluminum sulfate and lime are added to water. Small particle of dirt clump together so they sink to the bottom of water. The sludge that collects is dumped in landfill site where it forms mud. Then water is passed. It looks clean. It may still contain harmful bacteria. Small amount of chlorine is added. The pH of water is checked and corrected so it is neutral. Then it is stored in large tank and service reservoir ready to be pumped to the home, school, office and factory. Uses of water. There are many uses of water. For example, animal and plant need water to sustain their life. Human beings use water for drinking, cooking, washing. Water is used in agriculture for watering the field. Water is stored in dam and used to produce hydroelectricity. We use water of river and sea for travel and to transport goods. Water is used for recreational activities like swimming, boating. Water is used in industries for manufacturing goods. Student, there is your home task. Do reading book page number 62 to 64 and learn, remember and understand at book number page number 62 and do this activity on your book. Thanks a lot.